I am Virendra Watane, working as a headmaster at the school Srimati Maltibai Saranai Vidyalaya, Vashi. This school was running by Vanita Samaj Samstha, Vashi. Samsthapak president of this school was Srimati Maltibai Sarnaik, ex-MLA, Vashi. And today's president of this school is So Manjusha Tai Sarnaik, Vashi. This school was established at 1990-91. This Samstha was work for women and girls. For development of women and girls, Vanita Samaj Samstha is run by. I am BSc B.Ed Maths teacher. I started this teaching job from 1992 at Mulibai Charkha English School, Vashi. I joined Mulibai Charkha English School, Vashi, 12th November 1992. When I was joined Mulibai Charkha English School, that time I am untrained teacher. But due to my interest in teaching maths, I joined the school Mulibai Charkha English School, Vashi. Then that time the Mulibai Charkha English School was standard 1st to standard 10 school. This school is purely non-grant school, and I am joined this school on very small salary, that is only for 1500 rupees at 1992. But my interest in teaching job, I joined that school and I taught subject math and physics from standard 8 to 10th standard students. And from that school I complete my teacher training, Bachelor of Education, B.Ed teacher training by vacation course at Shivaji Mahavidyalaya, Amravati. In service, I got the degree Bachelor of Education, and then I leave that school. Then I joined my today's school, Srimati Maltibai Sarnaik Vidyalaya, Vashi, as a maths teacher. 1st July 1997, I joined the Maltibai Sarnaik English School. At that time, in this school, there are standard 8, 9, 10 only. And this is a purely girls school at that time, that is at 1997. I work from 1st July 1997 to till date, tomorrow date, 14th July 2003. From 1st July 1997, I work as a maths teacher in that school. Also, I work as a science subject physics in this school. Due to my second subject, physics, I teach students to make some models for science exhibition every year, for their concept clearance and for their creating interest in science subject. For example, I and my 10th standard student in year 2000-2001 presented a model named as solar heater based on solar energy. This model was appreciated from town level to taluka level to district level to state level also. This improved the concept of student about science, about solar energy, and they gain interest in science subject. This is great achievement in my job. Apart from this, co-education was started in our school in 2009 to 2010. Due to this, the strength of the student improved. Today it is 508 students in our school. During the period 1997 to 2015, I work as a assistant teacher, maths teacher in this school. For development of teaching methods, I done some trainings. First training, that is a state level seminar for 2 days training, 22 February 99 to 23rd February 99. I participate in state level seminar for maths teacher, for developing my maths teaching method. Then during the year 2003, I taking training of computer training under Maharashtra State Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, Amravati, for improvement of digital teaching use now. By this training, I develop my computer skills. Then year 2001, I joined training 5 days for National Secondary Education Abhiyan conducted by Yashoda Pune. Here, higher level maths teaching and concepts of maths training done in this training. Then next training, that is on 3rd June 2014 to 12th June 2014. This was senior grade teacher training held by Maharashtra State Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board Pune. This is training history and job history of my assistant teacher. Then from 1st November 2015, my samstha society give me promotion to work as a headmaster. I joined headmaster of Srimati Maltibai Sarnaik School, Washim, on 1st November 2015. This is a great opportunity me to work for student. As a headmaster of the school, I and our team done various schemes in the school. That is tree plantation to explain importance of trees. Tree plantation program run by me and our team regularly in July month. In our school, some girls are coming from villages more than 5 kilometers. They have to Manav Vikas Mission Antargat cycle from our school to them. Also, some girls coming from rural villages more than 10 kilometer distance. Our school, our team give us free passes for ST buses to them under the scheme Ahilyabai Holkar scheme. Our next scheme is Savitribai Scholarship Scheme. In my school, girls coming from rural area, backward classes, they need some money for books and education. By this scheme, Savitribai Scholarship Scheme, we give them scholarship from standard 8, 9, 10. Next scheme for minority student, minority scholarship scheme. This under this scheme we gave to student boys from Muslim and minority classes. By this also some money gave them to buy books and their notebooks. Next scheme run by my school, that is free book distribution scheme. Under this scheme, standard 5th to standard 8th student learn in this standard. They have books and we give them under scheme. We give them books. In our school there are 10 to 15 Divyang Vidyarthi, disabled Vidyarthi. Some physical infrastructure. We try for them and we give as a government scheme, that is traveling Madatnis Bhatta. Next, our school scheme is midday meal scheme. Those boys and students coming from rural area, poor families, by this scheme we give them midday meal per day as a khichdi, varan bhat, matki, biscuits and bananas. Under this scheme, in our school 255 students, they get this midday meal regularly. Next, our scheme is health, education and health checkup scheme. Under this scheme, every year, we call government doctors to take medical checkup for the students. Under this scheme, my school's total student, that is 508 students, their medical checkup, teeth checking, nail checking, their temperature checking, also run under this health scheme. During this health checkup scheme, students' height, weight and BMI checkup done by my school teachers. Also under this scheme, every year according to government instructions, medical instructions, tablet for vitamins, worm investigation tablet, that is alkanzol tablets given to each student regularly. Also MR vaccine campaign was held in our school. Blood checkup for girls on 18th August 2012. Blood checkup for hemoglobin and blood group for girls was done by staff and doctors of Ma Ganga Memorial Hospital, Vashi. This is also good achievement for my job and our school. For students' historical knowledge, we run every year a trip to historical places like Ajanta, Veru, Shirdi, Daulatabad, Khultabad. By this our scheme, students get historical knowledge. Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. Under this scheme and Mahila Din, we run a special program on 8 March 2020 in order to encourage our girl student. One of our student named Harshada Vakil was appointed as a temporary SP officer of Washing districts for one day. This is very good achievement for Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme. Other social extra circular activities like sports day, social gathering for 3 days are conducted every year in the month of January to increase social in encourages and stage daring for students. We guide, encourage students to appear for competitive exam, basic competitive exam, standard 5, standard 8, standard 10, like National Talent Search Exam, NMMS exam, MTS exam, scholarship exam, Navodaya entrance exam. These are the basic competitive exam in school life of student. Lastly, output of our school can be seen as my students from rural villages, poor parents becoming a PSI officer, someone become doctors, someone become engineers, someone become teachers, someone become bank officers, tahsildar, soldier. It is a great achievement of my job as a teacher, as a HM in my school, Maltibai Saranay Vidyalaya Pashi. Thank you.